Ready to level up your gaming audio? Razer just dropped the Kraken V4 Pro headset today, a $199 wireless beast with THX spatial audio and 2.4 GHz hyperspeed. It's trending huge, with users hyping its epic soundstage and Best Buy already selling out. Stick around to see why PC gamers are losing it over this headset. What's good, gaming fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Razer's making waves with the Kraken V4 Pro gaming headset, unveiled today for $199 with THX spatial audio, 2.4 GHz hyperspeed wireless, and a slick OLED control hub. It's a hit among PC gamers. Sources are raving about its immersive sound, and early Best Buy sellouts are fueling the hype on X. Let's dive into why this headset's a must-have. So, what's the vibe? The Razer Kraken V4 Pro is a premium wireless headset rocking Triforce biocellulose 40mm drivers for crisp highs, rich mids, and deep bass. THX spatial audio delivers 7.1 surround sound, immersing you in games like Apex Legends or movies like Saving Private Ryan with pinpoint positional audio. Sources are calling it a cinematic experience. The 2.4 GHz hyperspeed wireless offers ultra-low 15 ms latency, while Bluetooth and USB modes let you connect to PC, PS5, Switch, or smartphones. Its Sensa HD haptics add real-time rumble for explosions or gunfire, although music fans might toggle it off to avoid bass overload. The OLED control hub lets you tweak audio, haptics, and RGB with over 20 settings, and 9-zone chroma RGB lights up your setup. With a hyper-clear super wideband mic and up to 50 hours of battery life, 13 with haptics or RGB on, it's built for marathon sessions. Why is this trending? PC gamers are obsessed with the Kraken V4 Pro's THX spatial audio, which users say shines for immersive RPGs and shooters, though competitive players might prefer game EQ for sharper treble. Expos are buzzing about Best Buy sellouts. The Sensa haptics make Cyberpunk 2077 feel alive, but users note that the mic's muffled quality lags behind cheaper rivals, like the $150 HyperX Cloud Third. At $199, it's a steal compared to the $400 MSRP some retailers listed, undercutting premium headsets like the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro. With 4 connectivity modes and a comfy leatherette design, it's versatile for gaming, streaming, or chilling. This is Razer delivering next-gen immersion at a mid-range price. Alright, let's get you in on the game. Picture the Kraken V4 Pro on your head. What's your vibe? Feeling Call of Duty explosions with Sensa haptics? Customizing RGB to match your rig? Or chatting crystal clear with your squad? Drop your dream Kraken moment in the comments.